Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today we will discuss about microorganisms. Okay, so where do microorganisms live? What are microorganisms and us? What are making of curd and bread? So we will discuss all these things in today's lecture. Okay, so first let me start with microorganism may be single called like bacteria. I have told you of bacteria in my previous class. Okay, some algae and protozoa. Okay, students, or it can be multicellular also. It can be single celled and it can be multicellular, such as algae and fungi. Okay, so microorganism means micro means a very small organisms. It can be single celled or can be multicellular. Okay, so they can survive under all types of environment. Okay, survive under all types of environment. Either it can be cold climate, ice cold climate, or it can be a two hot springs. So microorganisms can survive in both these climates. Okay. Some microorganisms grow on other microorganisms while other exist freely. So microorganisms like amoeba can live alone while fungi and bacteria live in colonies. Okay, students. So now we will discuss about friendly microorganisms. Friendly microorganism. So what do you mean by friendly microorganisms? So microorganisms are used for various purposes. Okay, so they are used in preparing the curd, bread and cake. So they are very helpful for us also. They are also used in cleaning up the environments. For example, I am writing here the usage of microorganisms in preparing curd, bread and cake. Okay, also used for cleaning up the environment. Okay, so these are the uses of in agriculture. They are used to increase the soil fertility that we have discussed in my previous chapter on. The previous chapter was crop production and management. Okay, that we have discussed in this chapter. In agriculture, in agriculture, they are used to increase. They are used to increase soil fertility. So that's why students they are called as friendly microorganisms. Okay. Now we will discuss about how to make bread or curd with the help of microorganisms. Okay, so first let me delete all this. So now making of curd. Students, curd contains several microorganisms. Okay, of these the bacterium is Lactobacillus. The bacteria name is Lactobacillus. Okay, so this is very important from the exam point of view, which promotes the formation of curd. So this bacteria is promotes the formation of curds. So it multiplies in milk and convert it into curd. So bacteria are also involved in making of cheese, pickles and many other items. Okay. An important food ingredient of rava, idlis and baturas is curd. Can you guess why? Okay. So that is why lactobacillus, which promotes the formation of curd. Okay. Now commercial use of microorganisms. Commercial use of microorganism. Okay, so what is the commercial use of microorganisms, students? When sugar is converted into alcohol, this is the main commercial use of microorganisms where they are used. So I can write microorganisms are used for large scale production of alcohol, okay, wine and acetic acid. Okay, so yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. So these are the commercial usage of microorganisms. Now come to the medicinal usage of medicinal use of microorganisms. Okay, students, whenever you fall ill, doctor gave you the antibiotics. Okay, and these antibiotics are made up of microorganisms. Okay, these medicine, I am writing out antibiotics. Okay, so these medicines kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. So some microorganisms also cause disease. So these medicines are used and are called as antibiotics. So these medicines are called as antibiotics. So these medicines are itself made up of bacteria, students. So have you ever heard of that iron kills iron, means you can break the iron with iron. In this way, similarly, bacteria is using to kill the microorganisms. So this is the way in which we are using it for medical use. Okay, now comes is the increasing soil fertility also. So this I have told you in my previous chapter of crop productions. Okay, students, so till far we have discussed about friendly usage of microorganisms. Why they are friendly to us? Because they are used in making curd, commercial use also, medicinal use also. They are also used in increasing soil fertility. So till now we have seen the usage of microorganisms. In the next lecture we will see the bad effects, or you can say harmful effects of microorganisms. So students, stay tuned for the next lecture, and if you have any doubt or any question based on this lecture, then please do comment in the comment section. I will be happy to help you guys there. Thank you. Happy learning.